Hello everyone, and today I am going to tell you how to solve by Newton-Raphson method. And the most important factor is that I will tell you the method or the trick by which any problem can be solved within 10 seconds. Yes, only 10 seconds. So by Newton-Raphson method you can solve any type of problem within 10 seconds. Okay, so the detailed procedure I am going to tell you. Let us take the function f of x is equal to, the most important question I am going to tell you, f of x equal to cos x minus x into e to the power x. Clear? First of all, I have to find out the interval in which the root lies. So for that you have to take f of 0. So cos 0 minus 0 into e to the power 0 will be equal to cos 0 is 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1, and 1 is greater than 0. And then f of 1, how to find out f of 1? So I will tell you one important factor. See here, this is the scientific calculator, and which I am using, it is Casio FX991 ES Plus. Okay, so in this case the most important factor is that you have to solve in radian mode. That means shift mode, and your radian is in 4. So press 4. So it is in radian mode. See, just see it. It is in radian mode. See here. It is written R. Clear? That means it is in radian mode. Okay. So now, see here, and another factor I am using here. In number 1 it is math, and in number 2 it is line, and I am using line. So my advice is that you should solve not in math mode but in line mode. Okay, so your question is that you have to find out cos 1 minus 1 e to the power 1, because you are going to cos 1 minus 1 e to the power 1. So how to find out cos 1? See here, cos 1 bracket close minus 1, and your exponential is here, so you have to use the shift key, shift this one e to the power 1, so 1 bracket close. So your value is minus 2.177979523. So let us write the value is minus 2.177979523, which is less than 0. And according to, so therefore f of 0 into f of 1 is less than 0. So by intermediate value theorem, intermediate value theorem, the root lies in 0, 1. 0, 1. If f of a into f of b is less than 0, that means one should be positive, another should be negative. That means the root should lie between 1 and 0. Clear? So what the formula for Newton-Raphson method? The formula for NR method I am writing, that means Newton-Raphson method, is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash xn, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on. N is equal to this one, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So question is that f dash x means derivative of f of x. So here f of x is cos x minus x e to the x. So what is f dash x here? Let us see. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x minus apply the product rule. So x into derivative e to the power x, e to the power x, again minus, because here it is negative sign, so negative, the derivative x is 1, so simply e to the power x. Clear? So f dash x is equal to this one. Now what is our formula? Xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn. What is f of xn? Here cos xn minus xn e to the power xn. Put a bracket here, it will be better for you. Divided by bracket start f dash xn, that means minus sin xn minus xn e to the power xn, then minus e to the power xn. Put a bracket. Again put a total bracket. So there will be no error. Okay. So now what is your aim? So taking, I have told you that I can solve it within 10 seconds. So just I am writing. Now I have not started the problem. So taking x0, and now how to take the value of x0? So take the, it will be better for you if you will take the midpoint of the interval. So your interval is 0 and 1. So within 0 and 1 you should take, that means let us take the midpoint 0.5. Anything you can take, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.2, anything you can take. Taking x0 is equal to 0.5, we have, see here, I am using the programming method. So listen carefully how I am going to solve it. If you will take x0, here x0, 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 this in this places you will take x0, then you will get x1. Clear? And if you will put x1 in this places, you will get x2. If you will take x3, you will get x4. So what procedure I am following? Let us see. See here. First of all, set the value x0. Let us see. x0 is equal to 0.5 I am taken. 0.5. Shift store A. That means in A, here A is there. So in A, I have stored the number 0.5. Clear? Because here store is in yellow color, so I have used the shift key. After using shift key, press the store key, then A. Clear? So I have stored the number A. Now you have to type this one, this formula in terms of A, because I have stored the number 0.5 in A. So see here, A minus A, that means here A is in red color, and for red color you should use alpha. So alpha A. Clear? So minus double bracket, see here, double bracket. So put double bracket. Then cos alpha A, cos alpha A, cos alpha A. So close the bracket. Then minus alpha A, alpha A. Then e to the power alpha A. For e shift ln, e to the power alpha A. And for alpha A, close the bracket. Then you should close this bracket. Okay, so close the bracket. Then divided by. So divided by, this bracket starts. Then again bracket. Then minus sin alpha A. Because alpha A. Bracket close. Then minus alpha A. Then e to the alpha A. Shift ln alpha A. bracket close, then minus e to the alpha a, shift ln alpha a, bracket close. Again this bracket, two brackets you should put. Okay, so now press the equal to key. So this is your x1. Now my magic will start up to x1. See here, I am writing the value of x1. We get x1 is equal to how much? You should write all the digits. 0.5180263. I have written all the digits. Okay. So how to get x2? This is the magic by Khillar Sir. See here, shift store a. That means this value I have stored in a, and where you should put this value, just press the upper cursor. Pressing the upper cursor, this one, our required formula comes into display. Now simply press the equal to key. That means you have to put this value in this formula. So then press equal to. So this is your x2. See here, I am writing x2. Here x2 is equal to how much? 0.5177574241. Now see here, again you have to store this value in a. Shift store a upper space is equal to. Now this is your next value, that means x3. This is your x3 value. So let us write x3. x3 is equal to 0.5177573637. This is your x3. Now again same process. Shift store a upper space is equal to. So this is your next value, which remains same. x4 is equal to 0.5177573637. That means these two values coincides. So our process is completed. So finally you can write the root by Newton-Raphson method is 0.5177573637. So this is the answer. See here guys, if you have any doubt in this video, then you can ask me so that I can tell you in my next video. So in my next video I will tell you another one or two questions of Newton-Raphson method, so that it will be very clear for you. And my request is that you should follow these steps, and if there will be any problem, then ask me. I will help you. Okay, thank you.